Hey, what's up? About 8 months ago, we posted the video with unboxing and full review of Vankyo V630. I really like that projector, so when I found out the new version was released, I was very excited. Today we have the review of the new projector, VANKYO Performance V630. Unfortunately, I don't have the previous projector anymore, so I cannot compare VANKYO V630 and V630. However, you can watch the video of Vankyo V630 by the link in description and compare the video quality by yourself. The new projector is very different from the previous model. First, it has completely different design. Vankyo V630 also has Full HD native resolution, 300-inch projection size, 45 degrees keystone correction, many ports to connect other devices. Okay, let's get this review started. The projector comes in this box. The front and back are the same. Inside there is a brand carrying bag with projector. The bag has one pocket for remote control, cables and other stuff. Also there is power cable, remote control, microfiber clothes, cleaning swab and HDMI cable in the box. If you need a projection screen and tripod, you can buy them additionally. I will leave the links to them in description under the video. As I already said, the new Vankyo V630 projector has a very different design from the previous model. First, it has a white case with grey front and back. On the front there is only a lens with protective cap and company logo. On the back you will find a power supply connector, 3.5mm audio jack, AV port, infrared sensor, 2 USB ports and a VGA port. On the left side there are remaining connectors, such as 2 HDMI ports, SD card slot and air blowing grill. If you look on the right side, we will see only air intake. By the way, there is a filter to avoid dust getting inside the projector. You can also use control buttons on the top of projector, such as up down, left right, OK, play pause, source, menu and power. Also, there is keystone correction and focus adjustment wheels on the top. The kickstand and 4 mounts to hang the projector on the ceiling are on the bottom. By the way, the new projector is more compact than the previous version. It is only 315 by 236 by 19.5mm. The weight is about 2.9 kilograms. Vankyo V630 is quite compact and lightweight, but this is a not portable projector, because it doesn't have built-in battery. This is a full-size projector. Now let's turn it on and plug it into my laptop. Vankyo V630 doesn't have its own operating system, so if you want to watch the movie or play games, then you need to connect game console, TV box, smartphone, laptop, USB flash drive, or any other device. The settings menu is standard. There are picture settings in the menu, such as picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projection direction, reduce display size. There are also several sound and general settings. By the way, you can use keystone settings, such as horizontal calibration, vertical calibration, rotate and auto adjust. As usual, let's check the noise and volume levels before testing the projection quality. As you can see, the noise level near projector is about 41 decibels. The volume level at 100% is 74 decibels. I have connected projector to my laptop via HDMI cable. You just need to select HDMI 1 source on the remote control and the image from laptop screen is displayed on the wall. I have a small room, so the projection size is about 80-100 inches. However, Vankyo V630 supports up to 300 inches projection size. Projector has Full HD native resolution. The colors are bright and saturated. Overall, the projection is clear, but I noticed that the focus is a little blurred around the edges. It is not a problem. You probably will not even notice it when you watch a football match or a movie. I didn't find any information about brightness, but you can use a Vankyo V630 in daytime. However, it is better to close the blinds and curtains.
I told you, just stay away from that damn place. There's something here.
So V630 is another good projector from Vankyo. I have already tested some Vankyo's projectors as well as headphones, and this brand is reliable. Among the main features of Vankyo V630 projector are nice design, Full HD native resolution, good projection quality, keystone correction, large projection size and good speaker. However, there are also some drawbacks. For example, the focus is not very clear around the edges. Also, I didn't find any information about brightness. Anyway, I have tested projector in daytime, and it is quite good. You can watch movies or show the presentation if you close the curtains or the blinds at the windows. The price of a Vankyo V630 projector is $240 on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.